Welcome back. Let's discuss VAT exclusive price and VAT inclusive price. Like we usually do, we are going to discuss these three concepts. We're going to discuss the formulae that are involved when dealing with VAT exclusive and VAT inclusive price. And then after that, we're going to do examples. So if you would like to write short notes, please do so, especially when it comes to the formulae that we're going to use. And then after that, we're going to discuss a few examples. Right, what is VAT? That's an acronym which is for value added tax. VAT, which is value added tax, is a government tax that is added unto some of the goods and services we buy. It's not like everything that we buy has VAT in it. There are some goods that are exempted from VAT, especially the basic goods, right? It is currently fixed at 15%. So this is not changing. For now, it is 15% unless the government changes it, right? The prices on the shelves are already VAT inclusive. So if you go to a shop, the price that you see there is already including VAT. What is VAT exclusive price? This is the price before VAT is added. The price excludes the VAT amount. And then VAT inclusive price, that's the price that includes VAT. So we're going to use VAT exclusive for the price before VAT is added, and then VAT inclusive for the price after VAT is added. So this is the formula you can use to calculate VAT. If you have the VAT inclusive price and the VAT exclusive price, the difference between these two is your VAT amount. VAT inclusive price minus VAT exclusive price will give you the VAT amount. And then from this, you can easily get what the VAT inclusive price. So you just have to transpose the VAT exclusive price to the left-hand side. It becomes VAT plus VAT exclusive price. So to get your VAT inclusive price, you add VAT exclusive price and VAT. If we transpose this VAT exclusive price to the left, it becomes positive, and then we transpose VAT to the right, then becomes negative. So VAT exclusive price becomes VAT inclusive price minus VAT. You can write your short notes here before we look at examples. Right, the following formula may be used to calculate VAT. Remember we said VAT is how many percent? We said it's 15%. If you find 15% of the VAT exclusive price, that will give you your VAT amount. If you have your VAT exclusive price, you can easily find 15% of that price, then that will give you your VAT amount. There are more formulae that I want us to discuss before we go to examples. How do we get VAT inclusive price? If you check, this is almost the same like we calculate the selling price. Remember, when you're calculating the selling price, you increase the cost price by a given percentage. So to find the VAT inclusive price, you are increasing the VAT exclusive price by the given percentage. And in this case, we said VAT is 15%. So you can say 100 plus 15 over 100 times VAT exclusive price. That will give you a VAT inclusive price. Okay, so you can simplify this and say 115 over 100, that will give you 1,15, right? So to get your VAT inclusive price from VAT exclusive price, just multiply the VAT exclusive price by 1,15. And then how can we get VAT exclusive price from VAT inclusive price? Remember, we invert this to get this. So VAT exclusive price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus 15 times VAT inclusive price. We're getting VAT exclusive price from this, so we divide by this on both sides of the equation. And then when you're dividing with a fraction, remember, we invert the fraction and multiply. So it becomes 100 over 115 times the VAT inclusive price. Or in a simpler way, when from this, to get the VAT exclusive price, you can just divide by 1,15 on both sides. Whichever method is good for you, use it every time you do your calculations so that you get used to it. Right, let's go to examples. An air fryer is worth 2,500, excluding the 15% VAT. So it means this price is VAT exclusive. Now determine the selling price of the air fryer including VAT. So now we're calculating the VAT inclusive price. So what you can do, you can start by finding your VAT amount. Remember, said VAT is 15%, so find 15% of 2,500, which is equal to 375 rand. This is the VAT amount. And then we say that VAT inclusive price is equal to VAT exclusive price plus the VAT amount. So it's going to be 2,500 plus 375, and then becomes 2,875. That is the VAT inclusive price. The other thing we can do is to use the formula that I gave you. I said VAT inclusive price is equal to 115 over 100 times VAT exclusive price. Or you can say 1,15 times VAT exclusive price, and then say 115 over 100 times 2,500. Then you're getting the same amount, which is 2,875. Let's do example 2. Percy buys a car for 350,000 rands, including VAT. So it means this price is already VAT inclusive. Determine the price of the car excluding VAT. Right, what did we say? We said we can find VAT exclusive price by saying 100 over 115 times VAT inclusive. So it's going to be VAT exclusive is equal to 100 over 115, then times 350,000. And then what do we get? We get 304,347 rand, then comma 8261. So we can round off to 2 decimal places. So it's 304,347 rand and 83 cents. That's how we can find the VAT exclusive price. Even from the formula of finding the VAT inclusive price, if you still remember, the VAT inclusive is equal to 115 over 100 times VAT exclusive price, right? So meaning that 350,000, which is the VAT inclusive price, is equal to 115 over 100 times the VAT exclusive price, right? And then we divide by this on both sides of the equation. We're dividing by a fraction. We invert this fraction and multiply. So it's going to be 350,000 times 100 over 115 is equal to VAT exclusive. You see that? Just the same as this. And then this will give you the same answer as that. Right, let's do example 3. A shop bought a pair of trousers for 450 rands. It added a profit of 55% and then added 15% VAT on this increased price. Calculate the VAT amount, and then after that, determine the selling price for this pair of trousers. So now we need to add the profit first. So how do we add the profit? Profit is 55%. We did this in our previous lessons. So we just say 100 plus 55 over 100, then times the cost price, which is 450. Remember, we did this when you're doing profit, and then it gives us 697 rand 50 cents. This is what? This is the new price after adding profit. To this new price, we're adding VAT, we're calculating VAT, which is 15%. So it's going to be 15% of 697 rand 50, right, which is 104 rand, 625. 2 decimal places, 104 rand 63 cents, right? So we've answered A here. Then says determine the selling price of this pair of trousers. So to this new price, which is 697, we add the VAT amount. So it's going to be 697 rand and 50 plus 104 rand and 63 cents, and then we get what? 802 rand and 13 cents.